terminal in Kingsport, Tennessee. That's the lower section. Big ass open parking lot. Shop down there. Driver's personal vehicles there, and a couple of bobtails. And then up here we got the trailers on the top section. That is a lot of wasted space down there. Maybe they got something planned for it, but trailer drop yard or lot is pretty good size. It goes down, well, you can see where the shop is, so the top section goes down past the shop, so pretty good size. So let's go see what the inside looks like. Hey, a trash can. Most truck drivers don't know what that is. Hot out there today. And we got a shower. Okay. Hello. Not sure I believe that number. So they got 2 bathrooms in there, 2 separate bathrooms. Each one has its own separate shower. So not bad. You can see how that parking lot goes there. Way down there. Way down there. There's my hoopty. A dirty ass truck. And I didn't see a wash bay here, which you know, these automated wash bays aren't all that great anyway. I really need a blue beacons. I don't know if you can see it, but the back of trucks get really, really dirty. All that road grime. And no automated truck wash is going to take it off. You need brushes and good elbow grease, kind that you get at a proper truck wash like Blue Beacons. And you can see how dirty that is. It's even worse way up in there. Getting some fuel here at the terminal before we head out. Not the fastest pump in the world. Definitely one of the oldest. So anyway, went and got a shower this morning. And during my terminal tour, there were 2 bathrooms. I went inside one and had a shower in there. And I just assumed they had a shower in the second one, but I walked in there this morning and it was just a bathroom, so there was only one shower in the driver's lounge. But at least there's one. Okay, finally one's full. Alright, I'm gonna finish up here, then we're gonna hit the road. Well, didn't make it 10 miles and ran into this. So according to other drivers on the radio, there's a fatal accident up ahead and they got the northbound side shut down. So apparently a helicopter landed in the roadway, picked somebody up. So, yeah, this is how my day is starting. Alright, it is Wednesday at about 10:35 in the morning, and I'm here in Greencastle, PA at the TA Travel Center. So my appointment isn't until 8 o'clock tonight, but I sent a message to my fleet manager to see if we could possibly bump that up. I got a load picking up in York, PA tomorrow at 9, and you know, my thinking is with these Wal-Mart DCs, you know, you can go in there and be done in 2 hours. You can go in there and it take 6 hours. So with an 8 p.m. delivery appointment and a 9 a.m. pickup, and it being a Walmart that I'm delivering to, I'm trying to assure myself that I can get in there, get done, go find a place to park, get a 10-hour break in, and then be up by 9 a.m. tomorrow, or be in York by 9 a.m. tomorrow to get that load on time, because that's also an appointment time. And you can't be late for appointments, you know. You can get there on time and they can make you sit for 5 or 6 hours, but you have to be on time. So, you know, I don't want to get in there at 8 o'clock tonight and then it take them 4 hours to get me unloaded, and I don't get out of there until midnight, and then that messes up my 10-hour break, and then I have to go to the other place late and then sit there all day and be a work-in and not get out of there till late. Delivers Friday, I think, in crap, I forgot, Loudon, Tennessee, I think. So, and then I got an appointment down there for, I think, 7 a.m. Friday morning. So sent a message to the fleet manager asking if I can deliver this early, and they replied back that I can show up early and check in early, but I would be a work-in, so there's no guarantee that if I went there right now, they would unload me. I could go there now and I'd probably sit there until 8 o'clock, until my appointment time before I bump and dock. So I'm thinking about heading over there about noon and then just seeing what happens. So I'll let you know when I get over there and see what happens when we get there. So.
By your command.
So I made it to Wal-Mart DC in Shippensburg. So another day I didn't get anything done. I stayed, let's see, I stayed at the TA in Greencastle, PA last night. So I came up here at about 1 o'clock this afternoon. Tried to check in, and the guard said, "Nope, your appointment's at 8. You can come back at 7." So he turned me away. So I went and found a place to park. Came back, and I got here about 5 minutes till 7, and I've been sitting and waiting at the guard shack ever since, because everybody up there is on break. So I got to wait for them to get off break before I can go up there and hit the dock. So yeah, just another day I'm not going to get anything done. From here I'm going to probably just if I have enough time, well, I should have enough time, but I'll just go back to Carlisle and stay at the terminal tonight and hopefully I can get a 10-hour break in so I can get up in time and go over to York to get my next load. At this point, I really just don't give a crap if I do or not. I'm not going to make any money anyway. This whole week's been a bust, so we'll see what happens. This place is absolutely dead. I am the only driver in here other than one yard jockey. That's it. About the deadest Wal-Mart DC I have ever seen in my life. I think somebody had an accident here. Got 3 showers. Pretty good sized bathroom. Laundry. Bullshit. That's nice. They give us a free bottle of water. Yeah. We got plenty of water in the truck. Coffee. Pretty good size. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. So just a big open dock. I don't think they do anything in here. When you come in, you can just back the truck up to the dock and go to bed. Big long dock. And there's more parking over here. Parking out there, kind of like in the middle of the yard. And I'm way down there. The bag keeps falling off my shoulder. Shop down there and some fuel pumps there, but they're still under construction, so I can't get fuel here in the morning. Good sized yard. Plenty of parking for everybody. Truck drive off CFI. Alrighty, so got over there at the Wal-Mart distribution about 10 till 7, and of course when I get there everybody's on break. Place is completely dead, but everybody was on break. So the guard just told me just to pull over to the side, and when they come off a break they'd let me know and tell me what door to go to. So about 7:45 they finally put me at a door. And this place, when you go to back up to the dock, you leave your trailer about 10 feet off the dock, off the door, and then you drop your trailer. You don't open the doors, anything, you don't break the seal, you just put it in front of the door, about 10 feet in front of the door, drop it, and then bobtail over to the receiver, and then the yard jockey will come, hook up to your trailer, open your door, back it up, and then you go check in at the receiver, turn in your paperwork, and then you sit and wait for a phone call. And once you get the phone call, the yard jockey will go get your trailer and bring it back to you, and then you go get your paperwork. So got out of there about a little after 9, about 9:05 or something like that, and came over here to Carlisle, and I just went in there and took a shower, did a little tour. I was here the other day, but I didn't have really time to do much, so I went in there and used the bathroom, and that was it. But I think I got time to get a 10-hour break in before I have to leave to go over to York. I got to be over there at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know anything about the place. I looked up reviews on Google, and it's mixed. Some people say they got out there quick, some say they didn't, and one guy even took a picture of the line out in front of the guard shack, from the guard shack all the way to the street. So I don't know what to expect when I get there tomorrow, but I get there when I get there, and I get loaded when I get loaded, and we'll get out of here and head towards Tennessee. So I will see y'all tomorrow.